Hello friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today in this video tutorial I will show you how to create an offline account on new Windows 11, okay? In the latest update of Windows 11, it doesn't allow you to create an offline account and then you're stuck here on this step. It requires you to create a Microsoft account and then you don't see any other options to create offline account. Here I am today to show a little trick that we bypass this step. If you already have a Microsoft account, then just log in here and that's it. Maybe you have a Microsoft account but you didn't realize that yet. If you use Skype, you already have a Microsoft account. If you use Office on your computer, then you already have a Microsoft account. Today on this video tutorial, I'm here to show you how to bypass this requirement and then continue creating your offline account, okay? Continue watching this video, let's go directly to the point and let's fix this. So as you see, it's requiring to log in on your Microsoft account. So what we got to do now, if you are on your laptop, you have to hold on Fn here and shift together and also press here F10. And now if you are on our PC, you only have to keep shift and F10, okay? Now here we are. We have to disconnect internet from your laptop or from your desktop. We can disconnect internet from here, from CMD command. So make sure that you are on system 32. Here you can type ncpa 1a here dot cpl and then click enter. Then you will see here network connection, right? So here on the network connection, make sure to disable Wi-Fi. In my case, I connected on Wi-Fi. Okay. So next command, it will be oobi / bypass nrio. Look, bypass nrio. With this command, we are able to create offline account, right? Here the slash, I typed wrong. You have to type this kind of slash, okay? Not the other one because it's not working. Then click enter. So you see the computer, it's restart directly, okay? And then you will see that your laptop will restart immediately. So let's see now. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, here it is. So it starts from beginning. You have to choose everything from beginning. Just click next here. We are ready to click yes. I have to skip my second keyboard. I don't need that. You can click I don't have internet. And then you will see here continue with limited setup. Okay, this is the option that we wanted. This is what I was talking about. Here it is. Click there. And then you will see here. So now enter your name, okay? Call it like this. And then you just enter the password. I will keep it without any password. Then here it is, guys. So we just bypass Microsoft user account and then now we are running on Windows 11 without any problem. So as you see, this is how it works. I suggest you create a Microsoft account because you need to have it for more features. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Tips to Fix. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.